Please also make sure that tray tables are folded away, seat backs are upright with the armrest down, and that your seat belts are securely fastened. You may continue to use your handheld electronic devices for landing as long as they remain in flight safe mode, and larger devices like your laptops must now be switched off and stowed away safely. Please also take a moment to remind yourself of your nearest exit. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to welcome you to London's Heathrow Airport Terminal 5. Local time is about 20 minutes to 1 in the afternoon. Please do remain seated, leaving your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. You can now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices, and when it is safe to leave your seat, do take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved during the flight and could fall out and injure someone. Before leaving us today, do make sure that you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed, and you have reached a designated smoking area. If you're ending your journey at Heathrow this afternoon, then please follow the yellow signs for arrivals and baggage reclaim. If you are connecting onto another flight, then follow the purple signs through to flight connections. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in London, and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. So it has been our pleasure you've come on this short flight today, and we do look forward to welcome you back on board again very soon. Thank you, and a very good afternoon.